Oh!
Moist! Moist!
Get me out!
Moist! How do you turn it up? I'm trying to clog it up with a shoe!
Yeah, no, hit it with the shoe. Hit it. Beat it with the oh my god.
I turned it off! Oh my goodness, you
Oh.
scared me. Moist, he's walking, he's walking.
Things I have seen.
He's walking around.
Ah.
Maybe it's not big, maybe it's just big because we're small.
Yeah, hold back, be careful in there.
What did you see in there?
You wouldn't, you don't want.
Horrors untold. Yeah, throw that off there.
Ah.